Hello guys, today, I wanted to show everyone how to remove a Skoda Octavia 2 headlight. The engineers made a really easy system for it. It's really easy to do it. Anyways, in the process, if it's an old one, you might have debris that's making it harder to do so, or it's rusted, so if it makes a weird noise or harder to pull, don't worry and continue your job. Now, let's start. I am doing this on the right one, but on both parts it's literally the same. So don't worry. We got 2 steps to pull it out. It's very easy. So firstly we have to unscrew this plastic nut, which not like me, you will have more space. It's just my cold air intake taking most space there. Rotate until it's loose and place it in a place where you won't lose it. Second thing you'll have to do now is just pull this one metal thing and at the same time pull that small plastic up. Just like this, simple. You'll hear a click or just nothing, but so you know easily if it's out or not. The headlight will move a little bit more out when you've done it correctly. Give it a nice shake if it's not going out easily, and then pull it towards you. Here's the connector which gives power to the headlight. I won't pull it out because I am recording currently with one hand and it's not that easy. Now just grab the new headlight, connect the power source back and push it inside. If it doesn't go, don't force it. It should go smoothly in without any problems. Leave this thing still open full. Go back to the plastic nut. If it's a new headlight, you might get a new nut with it. Get it back on really tightly. Now just push that thing in. It should move the headlight a bit in the back. It is just adjusting the headlight and securing it tightly by itself, and like this you just got yourself a headlight replacement. As I said, it's the same thing on the other side. So guys, I wanted to remind everyone that from the 100% of viewers, 90% are unsubscribed. I am starting out right now and I need everyone's support so that can motivate me and help me grow my channel. Leave a subscribe, a like, and comment if you have some tips or questions. I promise to reply to everyone. Goodbye and have a nice day.